up? What up? Hello.
Good, man. Good. You good? I'm over here with another veteran and a couple people from the shelter. We're waiting on the police to enforce a court order. They removed me out of here.
Let's move over here because we got this noise over here. Let's move over here.
You don't have to. Technically, by law, I'm allowed to go break into there.
No, because you'll be breaking the law.
No,
because
I'm ordered to be allowed to have it.
It's a standstill.
I can force myself.
It's a standstill, so it's like.
Do you want to record that?
No, I don't think you should do that.
No.
You can smoke crack, do meth in your room. But
What?
But yeah, no problems.
They go what?
Yep. Yes, I need to get my property. This is a court order for me to access my property without removal.
Number, you cannot come into the premises because of security issues. If you have before,
If the judge thought that was true, he would have put that. This is a judge's signature.
Can he do it with an officer?
We're waiting for DH. He cannot come into the facility.
Can he do it with an officer?
He cannot come into the facility. You got to deal with DHS.
So if the police came and said you guys had to let me into the facility to get my property,
They're gonna have to deal with DHS.
I want access to my property.
All right, you cannot come into the building. You got to wait until Monday.
So what happens when the police come?
There's a court day on Monday. The police gonna have to wait. Watch your foot and close the door.
You call the police on me?
If you don't remove your foot, yes.
Okay, please. Call the police.
You're refusing to move your foot?
Yo, you telling me that in this shelter, you could smoke crack, you could do heroin? No, I'm talking about this one right now, where you're at, where I'm standing right now.
Yeah.
Think about how undignified it is to have Mount or anybody have to deal with all.
Oh, that's yes, you're right.
Through my property.
I just thought of it. Yeah, they're just gonna grab your stuff and throw it over here.
While people are coming in and out, like that's not right.
You're right.
I got medication.
Yeah,
I got electronics. I got paperwork.
Invading clients' privacy by filming this facility.
We're outside, man.
Okay?
This is
there is no
trespassing.
filming.
We're outside. We're on the sidewalk.
No, but they're up here.
But they belong to the shop. I don't know about them. I'm talking about me.
You with them, right?
But I'm in the sidewalk.
But you with them.
But I'm in the sidewalk.
All right, that's enough.
And we're waiting for the police because you guys call the police, right? So that's what we're waiting for.
Okay.
That's why we're still here.
Oh, look at her, look at her.
Look at her. She said she's coming back.
Here we go.
Hand back. Subscribe to my shirt. The people's got.
Can you stay back for me, please? Can I stay back?
Yes.
You're good.
No, I'm not.
You're safe.
Can you stay back?
What you mean?
I have the full right.
It's two different things. They got their own rules. They got their own police
It's a
too.
rule versus a law.
I have every right to break into there and get access to my property.
But you're not breaking in.
Regardless of you or them.
You look like a clown saying whatever.
I look like a clown. Have some respect for the people, bro. All right, so call me clown again. That'll be 2 complaints. Call me clown again. I dare you to call me clown again. Then why you telling me to knock it off and you don't tell him to knock it off when he call me a clown? Both of us. He said both of us, so you knock it off. He said both. His property, his medicine, his clothes, his hygiene.
Rules.
They don't want me. They don't want me in.
They don't want him in.
But the judge wants me in.
But the
they
judge
don't want
says he
me
can
in.
go in.
But they, I don't know.
They're saying
Is it like we call Ghostbusters or something, or?
Listen, the sergeant is here. You gotta stay quiet. You heard? You keep it quiet, bro. Keep it quiet. The sergeant is here.
Listen to what you say.
The sergeant is here. You stay quiet. We called him because talking to you is nonsense. You need retraining. Veteran on my page, he fought for us. You heard? Army vet. The rights that we're fighting for, he fought for them. And look what he goes through. Ain't this some shit?
Alright, let's see what he says.
Let's rock it.
Let's see what he says.
Yeah, he all right. I got him safe, man. I got him against the wall. You heard? He's against the wall. I got him right now. That wall is about to break.
Protect.
Yeah, he's safe. Yo, imagine if the sergeant allows him inside, bro.
Listen, that's his decision.
Imagine that shit. That means you ain't worth nothing, bro. You ain't doing nothing out here. If you see me without the uniform, I bet you don't got the balls to call me clown. Because you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be on sight. How much you make a year?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Let us know. 150?
What's your name, though?
Don't worry about it. It's private.
You said I asked about you, so...
Yeah, but don't ask me. Go ask your family. When you go home, they know who I am. Your wife knows who I be. Shorty that you banging, she knows who I am. Ask her about me. I saw her last week.
I see it in la cara.
Look, back up. Back the f up, bro.
Is you fucking kidding me? Every fucking day, this goddamn shit is happening. Every goddamn day.
Yo, what's your page? I'ma follow.
Mount, stop.
Sir,
Mount,
will
don't do
you
that.
arrest me? Because I got a court order.
Sir.
Because then your career will be on the line. So, please, I have a court order. You need to move.
I heard. You heard.
Don't feel no type of way.
Hey, yo, middle gang, huh?
PTSD, dirty.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, huh? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me servant. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, huh?
I see me, my friend.
Y'all think, bro. Fuck out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. We gotta get them vibes up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe, though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?